Earlier this year we set out the goal to build the most fully equipped V70 XC ever built, and we spent months looking for accessories for it. And the finished result you can see behind me. And we also wanted to add some more personality to the car with a more off-road look that goes good with the racing kit. And from that work, these were made. Skid plates for the front and back. The design is inspired by this sketch of the Volvo Adventure that was made by Stephen Harper before they released the first XC in 1998. And we're proud to announce that these are now available at Vparts.se, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install. In the front here, it's easy to find the right spot as we have this list to match the skid plate against. You can use some masking tape to tape it up and then adjust it to where you want it to sit. I think this is a good spot, and now I'm happy with how it looks, so I'll use the included screws to fit it. And if you like Volvo content like this, you should subscribe to the channel, because here everything's about Volvo. And these are made in Sweden in durable polyurethane, and you can either keep them in black like this or paint them to match some other parts of the car. We have them in silver like this to match on our sandstone. But now let's fit one of the ones in the back. It's a little bit harder here in the back, as we don't have anything to adjust the skid plate to. Instead we need to adjust it and find the right spot by measuring the right position. Now as you can see, I've already had a skid plate fitted here before, so I'll match up the holes to that. So. But you should hold it up to the car where it looks good and use some masking tape to get it fixed to the car. And now you can make the final adjustments to where it's centered, and I've got just under 30 mm on this little edge on both sides. And when you're happy with the placement, use all 4 screws and fit it. It will look best if you paint and match the color of the screw heads to the skid plate. These have been painted to match our silver ones that usually sits on this car. I think these look great on the car, and I definitely think they could have been one of the original accessories sold back in the 90s when these cars were released. And click up here to see more Volvo content from Vparts.